I've been here now in this lovely hospital for 72 days. The service that I have received here during my stay from the very beginning has been most impressive.
First day I was here, we had 30 patients on the ward, and the first job I had was to go around, introduce myself, and just to break the ice, I asked them, do you need clothes in and out? Out of 30 patients, 15 didn't have clothes. They were in hospital gowns. And I think once you get your own clothes in and you put on your own clothes, you're not a patient, you've got your identity back. It helps with recovery. When patients speak with their families using the iPads and the phones that we have here, it can be emotional. A lot of families haven't seen their relatives since before COVID. A lot of people don't have any way of contacting. A lot of people come in here through an ambulance, don't have phones, don't have any way of contacting them. They come in with what they're wearing. They need to get their families in touch with them, little bits and bobs to pass the day, anything to help with keeping the mind going and getting them home quicker.
Our role consists of a lot of patient interaction, interacting with the families. And I think since this team have come in, it's really helped us with our job to everything run more smoothly with the communication. So our job often involves a lot of phoning families and explaining things to them, discussion. But actually since they've come in, it's really helped us to take that away from us so we have more time to see other patients or to do more of the things we kind of need to do.
Mae'r Family Liaison Officer sydd wedi bod gyda ni yma ar cleddau, maen nhw wedi bod yn ffantastig I ddweud y gwir. Maen nhw wedi creu cyswllt rhwng teulu a'r chleifion trwy gydol y pandemig. Fel ni'n gwybod, maen nhw yn trefnu galwadau ffôn, Skype a FaceTime sydd yn amlwg yn hybu gwellad i'r chleifion. Maent hefyd yn trefnu bod dillad y cleifion yn cael ei glanhau a bod unrhyw beth sydd angen ar y cleifion yn cael ei trefnu ac yn dod i'r ysbyty ar ei rhan nhw. I fod yn onest, maen nhw yn werthfawr iawn ac yn rhan pwysig o'n tîm ni.
I've never had a mobile phone up until arriving here, and Owain and his colleagues were able to helped me get in touch with my children, and friends too, either through telephone or Skype. I was able to see my children and friends through Skype, and the service has been of tremendous benefit to me, and I'm exceedingly grateful to Owain and his colleagues and the service in general. And I can't say more than how grateful I've been and how much I've enjoyed their help in so many ways. So it's a wonderful service, and long may it continue.